Are you guys so excited to open up the bug box?
Yes.
Are there buggies in here?
Yeah.
So we ordered this box of caterpillars that we get to watch grow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Should we open up the box? Let's
Ella.
do it. Okay. Say, I need a knife,
Gee.
Dad. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Should we see what's in here?
Where's the things? Look, they're here.
Let's see. It says cup of caterpillars. Do you see the bugs? Okay, show Daddy the bugs. Okay, guys, should we set this up?
Yes, set it up. Let's build their house.
Okay, ready?
Watch this, everybody. It's going to pop up. Ooh, goody! That's what's right. Hi. Hi.
We keep them in the cup. Wait till they crawl to the top.
There's
Make a little
5.
cocoon. We roll this up onto the log, and then they hatch. It's like we feed them for a little bit, and then let them go.
Jello, jello.
Olivia, what are they doing?
They're getting in their cocoon and they're going to get bigger. We think they're going to turn into butterflies.
Are they hanging upside down? Let's get a close up. Okay, so we have been watching these guys and they've been eating tons of their food down here, and every other day we would see these changes to where they would get really fat and big, and eventually they crawled up to the top and they formed these chrysalids and hardened up, and after a few days we took them out and we transitioned them to their little log station right here, and now we're just waiting until they turn into butterflies.
How many naps until they do that?
It says 7 to 10 days. Our painted lady butterflies will emerge from the chrysalids.
Right there, Ella. Yeah. Careful.
Diabetes.
Careful, huh?
Diabetes. Diabetes.
Yeah. We don't want them to die, huh?
What do you have, bud?
This one's top.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Hey, don't hit this cage. Cool.
There's a bee. There's a bee.
They are outside.
There's a bumblebee. There's a bee. It's on you. It's... This was so much fun for our kids. We love creating experiences for these guys, and it was something fun we could do together and watch the magic of, you know, the caterpillar turning from the caterpillar to a butterfly. And it's something we would definitely recommend doing. We will provide the link at the bottom of this video, and hopefully you guys can enjoy it too.